Certainly, here are 10 bad habits that can undermine your confidence. Negative self-talk. Constantly putting yourself down or engaging in negative self-talk can chip away at your confidence over time. Comparing yourself to others. Constantly comparing yourself to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy and diminish your self-esteem. Seeking approval from others. Relying too much on external validation can make you doubt yourself and erode your confidence. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection in everything you do can set unrealistic standards and make you feel like you're never good enough. Avoiding challenges. Avoiding challenges or difficult tasks because you're afraid of failure can prevent you from growing and undermine your self-confidence. Overthinking. Overanalyzing situations and dwelling on past mistakes can lead to self-doubt and rob you of your confidence. Ignoring your strengths. Focusing only on your weaknesses and ignoring your strengths can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-confidence. Lack of self-care. Neglecting your physical and mental well-being can take a toll on your confidence over time. Procrastination. Putting off tasks until the last minute or failing to follow through on commitments can undermine your self-confidence. Fear of failure. Allowing fear of failure to hold you back from taking risks or pursuing your goals can limit your potential and damage your confidence. By identifying and working to overcome these bad habits, you can gradually build and maintain your confidence over time.